Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing my February subscription boxes. I have the Ipsy Glam Bag and the Icon box. Now before we jump into it, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to hit a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what I received in both my Glam Bag and Icon box, just keep watching. Okay, so I like to start with the smaller of the two, and that is my Glam Bag. So we have the little makeup bag full of stuff. Let's see. Oh, there's something else in here too. Ugh. So there is a little card. It doesn't have any information on the products that are in the bag, so I guess I have to go to my app for that. All right, so the first thing, and this one didn't fit in the little makeup bag. This is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I absolutely love these. I was actually starting to run out and I think I have one pair left. I keep one in my makeup fridge and then the rest of them are in my drawer for skincare. I don't have any more in that drawer. So this came just in time. This has two in here. I think usually they come in like a 5-pack or a 10-pack. And this is, I guess they consider their deluxe mini, but I do like them. They are super cute and they are gold in color, so they look luxurious. They feel luxurious too underneath my eyes, because sometimes my eyes they need all the love. Now, in the little makeup bag, we have the Eddie Funkhauser Ultra Definition Eyeliner. Interesting. So this retails for $15. It's shiny in color. I don't know if it's going to dry down matte. It looks like it might, but it is a felt tip, not a bristle brush, which I appreciate. Oh no, it is a little bit shiny. That'll be fine. Then we have Kate Somerville Bio Mimicking Peptides Serum. Smooth and firm. Okay, I like Kate Somerville. So this is a deluxe mini. What it does, your skin needs to pick me up every now and then, just like you. And here it is with this Kate Somerville Biomimicking Peptide Serum. Your skin barrier will get a boost of strength to help it lock in moisture and keep your skin balanced and healthy. Increase the skin's firmness and elasticity, giving it major bounce back power. I can use this for winter right now because it needs some hydration. We have the Rose Ink Skin Enhanced Luminous Tinted Serum. This is in shade 060. Oh, okay. I've been seeing this everywhere. And I think it's sold at Sephora. Hydrating skin tint, luminous makeup. Is packed with ingredients like sodium hyaluronate, squalene, encapsulated pigments that burst open upon contact with your skin. Blends across your face to give sheer coverage with a gorgeous luminous finish. Interesting. I keep seeing this. I haven't picked it up. Like I said, it's a skin tint, and skin tints are not usually my friend because I have a lot of redness underneath my makeup. So I will try this out probably on a no makeup day when I just want to smooth out and even things out. And last item we have is Feel Probiotic Moisturizer. Protects skin, reduces fine lines, increases skin elasticity. Is it a face moisturizer? It is a face moisturizer. Okay. So the one thing with the Glam Bag, it doesn't tell me all the prices for them. It tells me sometimes what the full size is going to cost, but only one of those had prices today. So that's everything I got in my little Glam Bag makeup bag. Okay, you guys, now we have the Icon box, and this is not light by any means, you guys. So this one was curated by Gwen Stefani. So I wonder if we'll get a lot of Give products, which are her brand. Okay, well, the eyeliner doesn't want to come off. It's got some staying power. All right, let's see what we have in here. So you have the details here, and Gwen is looking gorgeous. A very pink frilly sequin dress. All right, and then it has a bunch of details on the products that are in here. All right, let's see. Okay, first thing in here And I already have this. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. This is in shade 6 Neutral. So I have mine in 7 Cool. I'm going to open it on the bottom so that it doesn't break. Okay, so this is 6 Neutral. And this is the one that I have, which is Cool Tone. That looks kind of warm toned. So I wonder if I could wear 6 Neutral and just keep this as a backup because I am getting low on it. I don't know, we'll see. I may decide to put it in the giveaway. The giveaways are hard though when it comes to foundations because I don't know everyone's skin tone. And I would hate to put it in the giveaway and someone not be able to use this. So I'm gonna set that aside, but I don't know what I'm doing with it yet. The foundation retails for $49. And I do like the foundation. It is really, really good. We have the Ren Glycol Lactic Radiance Renewal Mask with AHA. Brightens and smooths. Okay. So this retails for $58. It's got pineapple extract, passion fruit, and papaya. I might have to add this into my skincare routine. We have from Give the Original Me High Performance Matte Lipstick in the shade Tragic Me. I know I have her lip gloss. I do not have her lipstick, so I'll probably keep this. Her lipstick retails for $26. We have also from Give the Line It Up 24-Hour Gel Pencil Eyeliner. This is in the shade Bathwater. There was a look she's done recently where she had blue eyeliner, and she does it quite often. The eyeliner retails for $20. Ooh, that's really pretty. Do I keep blue? I don't really use a lot of my colorful eyeliners. I don't know, because I do like the blue and I could use it in my waterline. I could also use it up here. I'll think about it. We have, oh, I got to choose this one. This is the Trophy Skin Brighten MD Multifunction Eye, Face, and Neck Tool. This retails for $99. Oh, wow. It's got heat therapy, high power LEDs, microcurrent, sonic vibration, and smart touch sensor. This literally sounds like the eye mask that I've been using, which has been a lifesaver. Oh, let me see. Oh, okay. That looks intriguing. Okay, so I think this side is what you like massage. Okay, I'm gonna have to charge this and like try it out. Interesting. Because I also don't see a plug. It looks like it has to be plugged in. Okay, I will do some research on this in a little bit. We have the Laura Geller Spackle Mist Boost with Electrolytes. Okay, I love the Spackle Hydrating Primer. I absolutely love that. This retails for $32. Refreshing Mist provides a surge of electrolytes like magnesium, zinc, and copper to help strengthen or restore your complexion, all while locking in makeup. Okay. I appreciate that because I like having skincare products in my normal makeup routine. 2 birds, 1 stone. From Kate Somerville, we have the Hydra Kate Recharging Serum. Okay, so this is not in my little pamphlet. It's my Beauty Boost. So this has a $78 value. Okay, let's see. What does it say it does? Reveal supple, recharge, and radiant skin with its blue light activated peptide serum that instantly hydrates and quenches fatigued skin. Instantly boosts skin radiance, fights signs of skin fatigue, visibly reduces dark spots for a more even tone. I was literally just complaining about my dark spots when I did my tutorial for this look that I have on right now. Okay, we will try this out because I want these dark spots gone. We have the Maison Louis Marie perfume, number 13. This has top notes of mignonette, coconut waters, lemon, mid of Tuscan fig, tonka, agave, base of vetiver, amber, and santal. That sounds amazing. The downside is I can't smell right now. I hate when I have like the sniffles or like starting to come down with something, and I'm not. We just went snowboarding last week and I can't smell anything. So I wish I could. I'll try. No, I can't smell anything. So I'm hoping this smells good. I'll have Luke smell it for me when he gets home tomorrow. But it just kind of sucks because I love perfume. And that retails for $65. Wait, what? This little bottle is only $65. I say only. Ugh. I've spent more on bigger bottles. Ugh. All right. Anyways, we're not going to get into the cost analysis of perfume. All right, last item, and I grabbed mine because I already have this in my collection. This is for sure going in the giveaway drawer. It is the Dominique Cosmetics Essential Palette. The packaging is just, it's that soft velvet touch. The palette retails for $49. And like I said, I grabbed mine so I don't have to open that one, and it will be nice and fresh for whoever wins the giveaway. I plan on doing late spring, early summer. But that is what it looks like. I should probably keep this on my desk so I can wear this to work tomorrow. Oh, look how beautiful it is. You have 5 matte shades, you have 5 shimmer shades, a really nice mirror. The mirror does say beauty inside and out, but it is a stunning palette. And like I said, it is going in the giveaway drawer for the next giveaway. That will be coming up soon. Stay tuned, make sure to subscribe so that you are alerted when I do post that giveaway. The one that I sent out for the holidays, I totaled that up and it was over $1,000 worth of product. But you know, stay tuned for those. Now let me go ahead and total up this box because I can tell you I did not spend anywhere near what this box is valued at. You guys, I totaled up the icon box and this is absolutely insane. I don't think I've ever had a box valued this high. It totaled $476. That is insane. And I feel like I got quite a few things that I've never tried out but have wanted to pick up, or some things to add into my skincare routine. Even something I needed to restock. But you guys, that is insane. If you're interested in picking up your own subscription from Ipsy, whether it be the Glam Bag, BoxyCharm, or Icon Box, I will link that down below, so definitely go and check that out. But you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications, new videos, and if you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. I'll see you in the next one.